Immobiliser Fit, this is a Halo Mini, protects against key clone, relay attack and the emergency start device. So with the system active, someone hops in the vehicle and goes to steal it. As you see, smart key not detected, the vehicle's not starting up, it's going nowhere. Pop a code in, receive a flash, we can start the vehicle and drive away. Put it in gear, vehicle remains running and we can drive it. If the customer's taking this for a service, they want to put it into service mode. So what they'll do is first disarm it, turn the ignition on, then they'll do their code. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll press and hold on the last button, keep it held till we get 5 flashes. And this puts the system into service mode, making it a normal vehicle, meaning Range Rover can drive it around, no need to disclose your code to them. We can let go of the button. It's now in service mode. As you'll see, we start the vehicle up, no code needed, and we can drive away as if there's no immobiliser on here. When you get it home, you've got to do the same process again. So we'll turn the ignition on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put our code in, hold the last button till we get 1 flash. Keep it held. We've got our 1 flash. We can let go of the button, turn the vehicle off. And now when we open the door, you see the system activates, your immobiliser's back on and your vehicle's secure. It's not going to start up. To get one of these fitted, give us a call 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.